ketone. The ketones may classified into the two groups, that is aliphatic and aromatic compounds. First of all, we discuss about the aliphatic ketone. You know very well that about the functional group of ketone is R3 double bond O R dash. The aliphatic ketones, the compounds in which two alkyl group is attached to the carbonyl carbon is called as what? Aliphatic ketone. It means what? This carbonyl group of the functional group of ketone is bonded to the two alkyl group. This alkyl group will be the same or a different. And the functional group of aliphatic ketones is forms, that is R3 double bond OR dash. This carbonyl oxygen, it is also called as oxo, or which is also called as ketonic carbonyl group. Where this carbonyl carbon, the valences of this carbonyl carbon is satisfied by the two alkyl group in the aliphatic ketone. This alkyl group, that is R and R dash, may be same or different. Whatever alkyl group is attached to this carbonyl carbon, on that these aliphatic ketones may classify into the two groups, that is simple or symmetrical ketone, and second one is the mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. It means what kind of or what type of alkyl group is attached to this carbonyl carbon. The aliphatic ketones may classify into the two categories or two groups, that is simple or symmetrical ketone or a mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. First of all, we discuss about the simple or symmetrical ketones. Look at these two examples. That is the carbonyl group. Both the sides of the carbonyl group, there is a what? Alkyl group. And these alkyl groups are same or identical. It means what? Both the sides of the carbonyl group of the ketone are having a same alkyl group or identical alkyl group. It is known as what? A simple or symmetrical ketone. The first example is the dimethyl ketone, which is also called as acetone. In that example, the two alkyl group is the what? Two alkyl group is bonded to this carbonyl carbon are same, and that is the methyl group. Okay? In another example is the dimethyl ketone. The carbonyl carbon of this ketone is bonded to the same alkyl group, and this alkyl group is what? That is the ethyl alkyl group. Okay? And the name of this ketone is dimethyl ketone. Okay? Mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. Next type of aliphatic ketone is what? That is mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. From the name of this type of ketone, it means what? Both the alkyl group are bonded to this carbonyl carbon are different. That is what? That is R and R dash are different. R and R dash are different. Example of this type of ketone is that is methyl ketone. That is this carbonyl carbon or this carbonyl group which contains one ethyl group and one is methyl group. Both the alkyl groups are different, and that is why this is the mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. Okay? Another example is that is C2H5, C double bond O CH2 CH2 CH3. Both the sides of this type of ketone is the what? that is two alkyl groups are different. The one is the alkyl group is ethyl and another alkyl group is propyl. Now what is the name of this ketone? Mixed type of ketone is ethyl N-propyl ketone. Okay. This is the what? The aliphatic ketone. Okay. Now next type of this ketone is the aromatic ketone. Okay. Look at these two examples. No doubt in this ketone, instead of this alkyl group, in this alkyl group there is a presence of a what? At least one aromatic ring in it. Okay, at least one aromatic ring in it. First example of this aromatic ketones is the benzophenone. This is the carbonyl group, and this carbonyl group, the carbonyl carbon is satisfied. The two balances of this carbonyl carbon is satisfied by the two benzene ring, by the two benzene ring. And another examples, the one balance is satisfied by the benzene ring and another by the alkyl group. But what is aromatic compounds or what is aromatic ketones? The compounds in which carbonyl group is attached to either two aryl groups or one is the aryl group and one is the alkyl group. Okay, this is the aromatic ketone.
Oh.
Classification of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids are further classified into the two groups, that is aliphatic and aromatic. The functional group of carboxylic acid is COOH group. These carboxylic acids are classified as aliphatic carboxylic acid. The carboxylic acid group is bonded to an alkyl group. It means what? This COH group is attached to the alkyl group, and such a carboxylic acid is formed. It is known as aliphatic carboxylic acid. Example is acetic acid, that is COOH group is bonded to the methyl group. That is known as what? Acetic acid, and this acetic acid is nothing but the aliphatic carboxylic acid. Next example is a propionic acid, that is CH3CH2COH. That is propionic acid. COH group is always present at the end of the chain of the carbon atom, and the functional group of the aliphatic carboxylic acid is RC=OH. Okay, this is the general functional group of what? That is the carboxylic acid. Number of carboxylic acid present in the carboxylic acid. From that, the carboxylic acids are further classified into the three groups. That is monocarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid, tricarboxylic acid. Mono means what? That is only one carboxylic group. Only one carboxylic group. That is, the example of this monocarboxylic acid is the propionic acid. There is only one COH group is present in the propionic acid. Next type of carboxylic acid is dicarboxylic acid. Di means what? The two. It means what? The carboxylic acid which contains two carboxylic groups. That is two carboxylic groups. The example of this dicarboxylic acid is COOH, that is two carboxylic group, and the name of this compound is oxalic acid. Next types of carboxylic acid is tricarboxylic acid. Tri means what? A three carboxylic group is present in such a compound. That is, the example is a citric acid, that is OH, CCH2COH, C C6OOH, CH2, COOH. In that compound, 3 carboxylic group is present. Such a carboxylic acid is called as what? A tricarboxylic acid. Next type of a carboxylic acid is the aromatic carboxylic acid. Aromatic means what? There is a presence of what? A benzene ring. And this benzene ring, on that benzene ring, there is a presence of what? One or more carboxylic group. It means what? That is on the benzene ring, there is a presence of more than one carboxylic group, or only one carboxylic group is also there. And the examples of this type of carboxylic acid is a benzoic acid. There is only one carboxylic group is present on the what? The aromatic ring. Next examples of this type of carboxylic acid is a phthalic acid. There is a presence of 2 carboxylic group on a what? Aromatic ring. And another example of this type of carboxylic acid is acetyl salicylic acid. In short, it is known as aspirin. Okay? And there is a presence of what? The benzene ring along with OCOCH3 group and along with the what? A carboxylic acid group. This is what? Acetyl salicylic acid, and there is also called as aspirin, and this is the one of the type of what? Aromatic carboxylic